Hello and welcome to Big Tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a website using HTML and CSS. We'll be creating this website. As you can see, it contains a little buttons on the top and big buttons on the right side, and there's a header on the bottom. And we'll be creating this website today. If you're beginners, then I'll make it easy for you. So here you can see I have created a folder. In this folder there are three types of files. The first one is HTML, the second one is our background that we are going to using it, and the third one is CSS. I'm opening Visual Studio Code. Then let me delete all the source code so you can see it clearly, and press exclamation mark, enter, and it write all the code for us. And I'll rename the title into Lamborghini, and I will attach the file with style.css. So link css, and I will save it, Ctrl S, then I will drag it and put it here, and our title has renamed. And I'm gonna put a background so we can then so I'll go to style.css, put an star. A star means universal selector, then third bracket, then margin I will make it 0, and padding also 0, it means default. Then let's select body and background liner gradient, press enter, RGB, and 0, 0, 0, 0.5. I will copy it, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, and comma URL means it will take this file as an image. Enter. Let me put it here, enter, and let me see my file names. LG is my background name, lg.jpg is my background format types. So Ctrl S, I will save it and reload. As you can see, we have created a background, so I will make it bright. Background position should be center, background repeat, no repeat, background size, cover, and background attachment fixed. This is all the things that you need. And you can see we have created a nice background. This is too light, and now we'll make this thing here. So there's 4 buttons on the top, and each button has a shadow. So let me go. I'll rename header, and let me create a div that name box, and I'm going to create 4 button. So I'll be using ul, li means list, and a means hyperlink. And for the first one, let me see correctly, model equipment store news. So model, then equipment store, the last one news. Ctrl S, save, and you can say there are 4 text here. We'll be creating a button into this text. Now I'll go to our style.css, and the first one, let me select box. remember, put a dot here, it means class. If you don't put a dot, it means attribute. So we don't have any attribute that name box, so put a dot and name box. And I'm going to give the box will contain this 4 into the top, so let me give it display flags. Let me go justify content shall be center, and align items also center, weight also be 100%. So I will save it, and now it is in the center position. Then let me go to UL, then put a display flex checkout, and nice. Then UL li, let's give it list style equals to none, so there's no dot here. And I'll make it padding should be 25 pixel, I guess. Yes, 25 pixel is better. Now we need to put a background on each of the text, so I'll make it background color equals to white, and right, both of these should be black, and both of these should be white. And color should be, let me go check out the color, and Control A and Control V. This format, it means hex value, so save it. Oh sorry, I mean we didn't give text decoration equals to none. Sorry, let me give it LIA. So let me give each of the background Control X, cut, Control V, and now you can see here. And now we shall give some padding on it. So padding shall be 10 pixel, 25 pixel on the right left, and 10 pixel on top and bottom. Okay, good enough. And some shadow, box shadow. What can we do? Let's give it 5 pixel, 5 pixel, and 5 pixels. 5 pixel. Let me go. I'm sorry. Let me go here. Sorry, black. Not good. So I'll give it. This will be 0. No. I mean this will be 0. Yes, and I'll make it 3. That's too blurry. This is okay for me, but I don't know about you guys. I'll make it a little. That's too much. Nope. Let me give it 3. A little 2, and I'll give it 1. I think this is better, but let me give it 3. In the blurry section, I guess this is better. And we need to change the font family. I will choose Apple system, Apple, and obviously font weight is there. Font weight should be bold. Yes, nice. And of course font size font size should be 20 pixel. Sorry, let me try. I guess this is good enough. And now we need to change this to background into black. So let me go here, give a class name is store, and I will copy, Ctrl C, and I will paste the bottom then, Ctrl S, Control V also there. Nothing will change. And go to dot, what class name? Okay, store, store, and background color I shall put, wait, not black, let me check the background color. Control C and Control V. Sorry, I need to put a hashtag. Then save. They are good. And let me change the color to white. I guess this is good enough, but it just like they are red too much right painting. So let me give it 25 pixel, and this will be 15 pixel. I guess this is good enough. And now we need to create these two button on the right side here. Let me give it one. That's too dark. Good. Nice. Oh, we forget about the text shadow. Go to text, and I will copy the box shadow one. Control C, Control V, and Control S means save. Too much shadow. Let me put it to. Let me put it here 1. Put it 0.5. Nope, not good. 1. I guess this is good enough for me. Okay, now let's create this giant button. I'll go here. Then let's create a section that contains two button .btn. The first button, press enter, and the first one we shall name it by, and press shift alt and down. The second one we shall name it the second one shall be dl. Then I will save it, Control S, reload, and you can see there's two tiny button there, and let me put this button come here. So let me give a class. No, the first one we shall settle the btn one. .btn means a class. We have to select a class. Let me give it display flex align items flex and justify content also flex, and here you can see there. Then let me put the height to 80 VH. Oh, that's too much. 70 is enough, I guess. Yes. Then let me put a padding right. Padding right 3 RAM. How about 15? What? Wait, flex and center and width to 100. Not good. Then I shall put the flex and on align items, and justify content shall be center. Let me see. Yes, good enough. Then padding left 10 RAM. Uh, 15 RAM. Yes, I guess this is a good one. Let me give it 75 VH. No. not good. Yeah. Then we'll be creating this button into this. So let me go to HTML file and type a class name, and I say btn, no, that's just similar, button, control S, control C, control V, control S. I will save it. Nothing will change. Then go to button. We are selecting button class, and then we give it. Let me copy the UL one. Copy all of this. Control C and paste it on the button one. Control V, control S. This is, I guess this is good enough, close one. But let me put the button a little more bigger. 3 should be fine, and 15. Yes, enough. And I'll put it H 80. Nope. 75. And padding left shall be 17. Yes, enough. But these two are really close with each other, so I'll put margin, and let me put it 15 pixel. I don't know what's the result. Is it close? Really hard to see. Let me give it 30 pixel. Padding top 85. No, 80. No, 75. We cannot do more than 75. And the first one, I don't want to put another class. I will put in the class type. So let me put it DL. Control C. Sorry, Control S. I'll save it. And let me check the color. Hex value. Control C. Let me go to DL. Dot DL, capital letter. And sorry, background color. Hex value. Control V. Good enough. Oh, we forget about the border. Border shall be none. Yes, nice. And this one, color shall be white. Yes, nice, I guess. Yes, nice. Let me check it a little bigger. The shadow, let me give it 2 here. Nope. And 2 here. Yes, nice. Cursor should be pointer. And now if we, now you can see, if I hover this button, there's a cursor pointer. And now lastly I'm gonna put this name here. And how do we gonna do that? I'm gonna create another section that name bottom. We're gonna creating a class that name bottom, and in bottom there should be h1, and what we have right there, let me check it one more time. Drive Lamborghini on the street. Drive Lamborghini on the street. Okay, nice. Alright, let me give the class name to h1. Control S. Then h1 I'm gonna put it like this kind of button. Yes, this one is better. So the color should be, me copy this color and paste it here. Let's increase the font size to 20 pixel. Let me check. 20 pixel is too small. 40 pixel is better. Yeah, 40 pixel is better. And font family to Apple, and font weight should be bold. I guess this is good enough. Display, no, display padding left, and 5 RAM. Let me check. I'm good at RAM. Using RAM is better. And let me create another. I'm gonna fix this sometime. Let me create a border button. So border bottom, 2 pixel solid, and the color should be Control C. Hex value has a hashtag on it, so Control V, Control S, better. Let me put it 5. Yes. Why is it? Let me give the weight to 40 pixel. Nope, not better. How about 80 pixel? It still can't. Let me remove this weight. Well, I will settle this after some time. So let's go to Lamborghini span. Oops. Cut this Lamborghini, Control X, and paste it, Control V. Then let me style on it. So style, color, and let me copy it, and hex value, Control V. Good enough. Nice one. Let me copy this text shadow, Control C, and paste it here, Control V. I guess this is little realistic for me. And now we need to fix this border that is too long. For this, I'm not sure that we have to create border on this H1 class, but let me create another div. Dot line. Dot means class. Control S. Dot line, third bracket, and border bottom, 5 pixels solid. Wait, Control C and Control V, Control S. This is the same thing, of course. Oh, sorry. Yes. And now let me make it smaller. Weight to 30 pixel. That's too small. How about 70 pixel? What? 40 pixel, 400 pixel. Not better. 800 pixel. Yes, close one. I'll make it 600. And padding left, I'll give it, sorry, 2 RAM. Oops. Let me give it margin margin should be 5 rem. Let me try it, and let me give the width to 800. Let me check. Sorry, 700, 750. Yes, this one is better. 750 is better. And the lastly, we need to take the font. The font is Sura. Let me go to Google Fonts. Google Font Sura. Let's see. Let me select this style, import, and don't take the style one, just import and Control C, paste it on the style.css, Control V, Control S, save it. Actually nothing will change, but let me give it font family to Sura, and let me remove the font family here and here. Oops. This one is better, I guess. Yes, this one is better. The background, let me left 5. Nope, that's too dark. 3 is enough, I guess. Yes, 3 is enough. And now we have to fix this problem. That take too much weight. So I'll go to button. Let me check what problem is this. Oh, sorry, something, not this one. Cancel. How about here? Still no. Here? No. Let me see. I guess this text is making something wrong. Let me cancel this text. Control S. No. Control section 1. Yes, the button is something wrong. So let's go fix it. btn width which will be 100%. Control S, V. Padding left, I'll give it 30. Yes, I guess this is good enough. What can I tell you from this? This is already 95% is the same like this one. So I hope you like it. See you later. Make sure to like and subscribe. Don't forget that. Bye.